Hi everyone, this is Mohammed from megaprogrammers.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about the documentation in Visual Studio. In order to view the documentation, you can go to Help, View Help, and as you can see here, it opened a welcome page for the documentation. You can click on C#, Getting Started, and what's new for Visual C#. And as you can see here, there are the previous versions of C# and even what's new with the current version, as we spoke about in what is C# and how does it work. If you click the programming guide, inside C# program, and then Hello World, if you scroll down, there is an example that you can copy and paste to your Visual Studio. If you would like to search a specific command, you can click that search icon here, and let's go console.write line, and let's append C# to the end of it. Click the first link. Click write line. And there is what this command does, the namespace, and the DLL library, the syntax, and even an example that you can still copy and paste to your Visual Studio, and under the example, there is the outcome of the program. Let's say that you're on the move a lot and you don't have often that access to the internet. You can download the documentation to your computer by going to Help, Set Help Preferences, Launch in Help Viewer, and then Help, View Help. When you open it, you're not going to find all of those items here. In order to get them, you're going to need to add the .NET Framework 4.6 and 4.5, Visual Studio 2015 Fundamentals, and Visual Studio 2015 Visual Basic and Visual C#, and click Update, and it's going to start downloading the documentation to your hard drive. If you look right here, there's Visual Basic and Visual C#, and there's Visual C#, Getting Started. Again, the versions, just like we saw online. And there is the programming guide, inside C# program, and even the Hello World application that we saw before. The only downside to this method is that if the documentation is being updated online, it's not going to be updated on your computer. You're going to need to manually update it. That is the only downside. Other than that, I find it great to have the documentation on your computer. So that's it for this video, and until the next one, happy programming!